Exo sauce, such a luxurious condiment from Cantonese cuisine. There are key ingredients to the original recipe, including dried scallop and prosciutto, and they are incredibly expensive. So today I'm going to share my original recipe of the exo sauce, which is less expensive but very flavorful. Homemade exo sauce. Let's begin. If you can't find the shallots in your market, you can just substitute it with onions. Cut 4 shallots in half and then slice everything. In terms of volume after slicing, it should be equivalent to 2 cups. So just keep that in mind when you're using onions. Cut the red chili in semicircles. Now let's handle the dry seafood. Pour some hot water and we're going to soak it for 20 minutes. Dried pollack can be easily found in Korean or Asian groceries. You don't need to pour a lot of water, just have everything fully submerged. And use your pestle mortar to smash the sesame. If you toast your sesame in the oven first, it will be much more fragrant. Now smash the pollack. At this point, you might say, hey, why can't we use the food processor? And yeah, if you want to be lazy like that, then just go ahead. But this makes a difference. You're not just turning them into finer pieces, you're actually squeezing the flavor out of it. And for shrimp, try not to smash all the way to the finer grains. A little bit of the rough texture of the shrimp is what we need. Just like this, know what I'm saying? And then you're going to start a pot with half cup of canola oil on low heat. Add shallots, red chili, and minced garlic. You might say, oh, this is too much oil, and it almost feels like you're confit the vegetables. And the secret of too much oil shall be revealed momentarily. After sweating the vegetables for about 10 minutes, you're going to add ground pork and smashed seafood. And all the protein ingredients will soak up the oil like magic. And then enhance the flavor with hot water that you used to soak the seafood. Bring it up to a light boil and then you're going to simmer it for about half an hour. When the liquid is about halfway reduced, you're going to add salt, sugar, chili powder, and soy sauce. Give it a good stir and you will see this change in color. And to this, you're going to add sesame oil and the smashed sesame seeds. Continuously give it a simmer for about 10 more minutes. And then it will be pasty texture like this. You see on the bottom of the pot, there's not much water left, which means you're gonna have to stir this constantly or the bottom of the pot gets burnt. Add the remaining of the canola oil. Then we finally arrive to our destination, the homemade exo sauce. If you stick with my measurements in the recipe, you're going to get 1 liter of the exo sauce. This amazing homemade sauce will open the doors to so many restaurant quality recipes. And in the next episode, I'll prove it. Your support is highly appreciated. So please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell, and I'll be back with more creative sauce recipes.